In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message in Slack. We'll walk through a straightforward and simple process, step by step. Whether you're cleaning up some of the digital clutter or removing an outdated message, follow along, and we'll have your message deleted in no time. To get us started, first, you'll need to go to the Slack website or open your Slack application on your device. Once there, if you aren't already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. You can do this by logging in using your email, or for a quicker route, you can use your Google or Apple account linked to Slack. This step is essential so you can access the workspaces you want to manage. After you log in, you'll see your available workspaces on the side. Click on the workspace where you want to delete a message. Workspaces in Slack are like your digital offices, each one holding different channels and messages relevant to various tasks and teams. Picking the correct workspace is crucial, as you'll be navigating to the specific location of the message you wish to delete. With the right workspace open, it's time to locate the message. You can do this either within a direct message conversation or in any of the channels you're part of. Scroll through and find the exact message you wish to remove. This might be in your personal direct messages list or within a group channel, depending on where the conversation took place. Once you've found the message, look toward the right-hand side of the message text for the ellipsis icon, those three little dots. Clicking on this ellipsis opens up a menu of options related to that specific message. It's an important part of the process, as this menu holds the key to editing and deleting, among other actions you can take on a message. From the options that appear, you'll want to look for the one that says Delete Message, and give it a click. When you select Delete Message, Slack will prompt you to confirm the deletion, ensuring you don't accidentally remove anything important. Finally, once you're certain you want to delete the message, click on Delete. This action will permanently remove the message from the conversation, cleaning up your channel or conversation. Always remember that deleting a message cannot be undone, so double-check before you finalize the deletion. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a message in Slack. This can be particularly handy when messages are sent in error or when team channels need a little tidying up. Practice these steps whenever you need, and soon you'll do this effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our channel for more useful Slack tips and guides.